are you, Spunkle Steve Austin?
Alright, this is Thomas Long. My name is Matt. And we're gonna see which is faster in a quarter-mile drag race. A Mavic Air or a Honda Ruckus. This supposedly goes like 60 miles an hour, but it needs space to do it. This only goes 40 miles an hour, but it has no acceleration. This goes 40 miles an hour instantly. This has to deal with resistance to the road, and this has to deal with wind. We don't know what's gonna win. Who do you think's gonna win? Do you think you're gonna win?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, where are we racing from? We're racing from this point.
Yeah.
Right down.
Steve, this smoke grenade runs hot or cold. Burns hot or cold.
Okay.
It's Hugh's birthday, so he has the honor.
It's a really bad way to find out.
Yep, it is. And then hold on to it. There you go.
It burns hot.
No, that's a spark.
Okay.
The smoke is a smoke hot.
Have you seen like the rock, you know? Ow, that is hot.
It's hot?
Yeah, it's hot.
Oh.
That's hot.
We're gonna have to figure something else out. Do you think this thing will fly?
If not, I'll go like this.
It'll fly, it just won't fly.
This shit's gonna burn his drone to the ground.
I think so too.
I just beat Tom's slow ass. Oh man, it made the whole drone blue in the back.
Oh, fuck.
It went so fast. Once I put on sport mode, I was able to get him. What's up, bro? Did I get you? Oh yeah. I hope you all liked this little spontaneous experiment we did. Obviously the Mavic Air was way faster than the quarter mile with hardly any acceleration time. We want to do this again when the Ruckus gets a bigger motor or with a Honda ground or anything similar. If you want to see more, please let us know. I want to thank my friends Tom, Tony, Hugh, Caesar, and Christina for coming together to make this happen. And in case you didn't know, smoke grenades make everything more fun.